Welcome back to the HSE tutorials. In today's video, we'll cover Nebosh Igc1 question. Outline the main health and safety responsibilities of a worker. Many people assume safety is just the employer's job, but workers also have important roles to play in keeping the workplace safe. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to HSE tutorials. Article 19 of ILO Convention C-155. Workers have clear responsibilities when it comes to workplace health and safety. Let's go through them one by one. According to Article 19 of ILO Convention C-155, outlines the clear responsibilities of the worker as follows. First, workers have a responsibility to cooperate with their employer in fulfilling health and safety obligations. Second, workers must take reasonable care for their own safety, as well as the safety of fellow workers and others who may be affected by their actions. Third, workers should promptly report any accidents or dangerous situations in the workplace. Fourth, workers are expected to use any safety equipment provided to them correctly and must not tamper with or misuse it. And finally, workers must follow all health and safety rules, instructions, and procedures. These are not just guidelines. They are legal duties under international health and safety standards.